How to get more people to open your emails, quick tips. Are your emails getting ignored or lost in crowded inboxes? It's frustrating when you put an effort crafting the perfect email only to see dismal open rates. If you're struggling to get more eyes on your emails, you're not alone, we will help you. Send at the optimal time. Schedule emails when your audience is most likely to engage. Analyze past open rates to identify peak days and times that have performed well. For example, Tuesday and Thursday mornings PST. Reflect your brand's tone and value in the sender's name. If your brand is playful, use a friendly informal name like your buddy Jack at XYZ Company. For a more professional tone, opt for Jack CEO at XYZ Company. This alignment enhances brand consistency and recognition. Craft irresistible subject lines. Your subject line is the gateway to your email. Make it short, engaging, and packed with curiosity or value. Incorporate these elements into your subject line: curiosity, emojis, questions, specificity, power words, numbers, or data. This is how you make it impossible to ignore. Leverage the preview text. Use the preview text to add value and build intrigue before the email is opened. Use your preview text to tease a benefit or provide a sneak peek. The preview text gives people a second nudge to open your email. Implement a call to open. Call to open are phrases like "open to discover," "click here to learn." Incorporate these in your subject line or preview text. The simplest way to encourage an open is by directly requesting it, if you want to reach the audience that truly matters for your business. FrescoData can provide targeted email lists that connect you with the right audience. Our targeted email lists ensure your emails land in the right inboxes. Visit www.frescodata.com